Taking care of your gas is important, and this includes refilling, cleaning, and everything that pertains a cooker. On this day, the first thing I did is to disconnect my gas because it had ran out and I needed to refill. As you can see, I am just moving the switch to confirm it is intact. You can see it's intact, and then of course disconnect so that I can be able to go and buy. The next thing is to clean the space. So we're going to remove the packaging. While we do, if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and join the Jest family. If you're a returning viewer subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We really value your continued support. So you get this, you pass it through here so that it's a bit stable. Then you put it inside there. There's this part, you press it and you turn it this way. That way it's now locked. You cannot even use. If you want to use, you press this button again and go down like this. So yeah, so now we have installed our gas. We can check if it works. So you can see the benefit. You can see up close this thing. So if you move it sideways, it locks. We can't use the gas. So let's test. We can actually just test with this one. Oh, it's off. So it's now on. Let's test. You can see it's trying to light up, but it's not working. So we come back here and turn it downwards like that and ensure. You see, when it's straight like this, it can either be on or it's disconnected. So just check to confirm it's stable. Then now you can try to turn on the gas. You can see it's working. Yeah, so it's just that simple and it works. For the next part, you can see the cooker is really dirty, and the secret to cleaning this cooker is just steel wool and morning fresh. They just give a super clean look. I stopped using liquid detergents as they cause the material of the cooker to rust. In fact, by the time I realized I had to really scrub to get the rust out of the cooker. So this is the best hack for me for cleaning the cooker. If you're still watching, thank you so much. We value your continued support. And if you're watching and you have not subscribed, kindly consider joining the Jest family and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Kindly let us also have your feedback as to the kind of videos you would like us to share, and ensure you check out our previous videos. Actually, maybe you could be asking for a video which we have already shared. Yes.